Hi everyone, I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am located here in Washington, D.C. We help clients with all types of immigration applications. I want to just start off today with something awesome that happened this morning. We have a number of clients. We're an immigration practice, so we help individuals, we help businesses, we help folks that are out of status that entered the US illegally or their status somehow expired. And we have a lot of them, but for some reason, me, especially in our team, definitely, we get so excited about each and every win. So that is something I think that makes us unique, even though we have so many clients and we are seeing wins, fairly regularly, right? It's really exciting each and every time. So for example, today we have a VAWA client who came into the office to pick up his work authorization and to pick up his daughter's work authorization card. She's only 5 years old, but we still applied for her to get a card as well. So she can also have a social security number, and it might be easier to enroll her in school and just have an identification for her, right? And she is also now allowed to be in the United States. So he came to pick up both their cards, and it's just awesome. It's so awesome to give this to them. We're going to be posting about it shortly on our social media. Follow us and like us on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. But it is just really rewarding, and it reminds us of why we do the work that we do, because especially on today, right? Today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. It really just makes you remember how the work can change someone's life. And this is why we take pride, so much pride in the work that we do, and we really strive for very high quality. Sometimes I'm very hard on myself, I'm hard on my staff, because I really understand, we all understand, that this impacts your life. This impacts your life. This is not just your life, but your future generations as well. So take care in your immigration applications. Take the time to put them together. I'm here to give you some information on immigration. I hope that it helps you in deciding whether or not to move forward with applying for immigration status here in the United States or to seek assistance. Okay, so we're here in Washington, D.C. My name is Pratibha Agarwal, and we help with all types of immigration applications. We have kind of a big, a high volume of business cases at this point in the year, just because we have H-1B filings coming up. If you are a student and you have someone that wants to sponsor your H-1B, now is the time to get started with that process. It's a reminder, if you know somebody that is a student that wants work authorization, now is the time to talk to your employer about that. Have your employer contact us for a consultation if they want to learn more about the process and what's involved. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. All right. So we always start off with a question of the day. I'm streaming on multiple platforms here. So I'm on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. All right, so we have people from everywhere asking questions. Post your question into the chat. I will do my best to get to it. And if I don't get to it today, join me again and ask me again, and I will do my best to respond. Hi, Nadia. Nice to see you. Hi, Diomati. Hi, Gloria. We have a lot of folks here that are joining, so thanks so much. Share this post with others if you think they might benefit from this conversation. We always love when folks join and contribute to the conversation, because it makes it strong, and it might be something that benefits some of the other people here that are watching. So that's really important for us here today. Okay. So if you're just getting on, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients that are located all throughout the United States. We have clients in California, in Texas, in Washington State, Colorado, DC, New York, Florida, all over the place. So we love doing immigration work. We believe that our work changes our clients' lives, and we take so much pride in the work that we do. And we have a very strong team, and I'm grateful to have a very strong team supporting me in the work that we are doing. If you would like to reach out to us for a consultation, please don't hesitate. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. 6663. If you don't already like us and follow us, we see several people here following us right now. Thank you for that. Nadia, I just saw your notification pop up. I'm glad that you would like to stay in touch with us. But as a reminder, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, Instagram, also follow us and like us on our platforms. So when I come on live, you will get notified. You can join me, share this post with others as well. If you'd like to schedule a consultation, call our office 703-348-1663. We're open now, 703-348-1663. If you would prefer to go on our Facebook page to schedule the consultation, you can do that. Our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. Again, that's Agarwal Immigration. And also you can check out our YouTube as well, Agarwal Immigration on that too. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. All right. So let's start off with our question of the day, which is what we usually start this live with. Okay, so our question of the day here is, can I apply for VAWA if I don't live in the United States? So can I apply for VAWA if I don't live in the United States anymore? You can still qualify for VAWA if you don't live in the United States right now, but the abuse that we claim in VAWA has to have occurred in the United States. So let's say, for example, you were married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you lived with them, it was a real marriage, there was abuse in the marriage, and then you left the United States and went back to your home country. You can still potentially apply for VAWA and a green card, perhaps, right, if you qualify. And it doesn't matter that you know that you don't live in the United States anymore, as long as you did at one point and that the abuse occurred in the United States. So if we can help you with your VAWA application, don't hesitate to reach out to us. This is one of our most common application types. You can start your VAWA case with us by scheduling a consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. You can also go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and schedule a consultation there. All right. I hope that is helpful. Anthony, congratulations. All right. Anthony says, I recently got approved for an I-130. I'm married to a U.S. citizen. What is the next step? Awesome, Anthony. I don't know your immigration history, but let's say you had a legal entry into the United States. You don't have any criminal issues. You are not in immigration proceedings, right? So assuming this is a very straightforward case, if you came into the United States legally with a visa, there was no fraud or any other kind of thing involved in that, then after the I-130, hopefully you could have most likely filed a green card application at the same time. So you could have filed I-130 and green card application at the same time. If that is what you did, you should look for your, if the I-130 is already approved, you should have gotten fingerprinting completed, background check completed, and then the next step is to schedule an interview, and then you would appear for an interview with your spouse, and they would, the USCIS would question you. So that's the process. If you file for an I-130, you entered legally, and you're married to a U.S. citizen, you should not only file for just an I-130, you should also file for a green card application, which is your adjustment of status application. With that, you would have gotten work authorization. With that, you could have gotten a social security number, and you would also receive travel authorization, okay? So that's usually the process. If you only filed for an I-130 and there's no reason for, there may be a specific reason for that, then the process is going to look a little bit different for you. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, and you can schedule a consultation from there. You can schedule a consultation also from our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. That's AGARWAL immigration.com. All right. I hope that is helpful to you guys. Feel free to reach out to us, and you can message us on Facebook if you have any questions, but hopefully talk to us, take the time Give this as a treat to yourself, to talk to an immigration attorney, to walk you through, especially if you're out of status, to walk you through the process, what you might be eligible for. Because Anthony, you're telling me you only filed an I-130, you're married to a U.S. citizen, you may have been eligible to also do the green card application, to get work authorization, to get social, right? So there's a lot of benefits there that you maybe have not taken advantage of. So call us. Hopefully we can help you. Green card fees are going up April 1st, right? So green card fees are going up April 1st for most case types. But if you're looking for something like VAWA, T visas, U visas, all of those, the pricing for that is going down. So now is the time to contact an attorney to take advantage of getting your application together so you can file and take advantage of the fact that there are no fees with these humanitarian applications after April 1st. Okay, of course, the legal fees will still apply because we need to expend resources to prepare your application, but otherwise we wouldn't, you don't have to worry about government fees. All right. How long does it take to get a citizen to bring their wife from Canada if she is also a citizen in Canada? That's a great question. So if usually it doesn't matter if she's from Canada or anywhere else, it really just matters the when she can get an interview with the U.S. Embassy or a consulate. So if you're a U.S. citizen, it typically takes at least 2 years to bring anyone in from abroad. We're actually working on some Canadian green card cases right now. What I would advise you is prepare the strongest application possible, so all the evidence is present, and that will make your case go as smoothly as it can. Okay? Call us if we can help you. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. All right. Island Gal says VAWA is free. Yes, VAWA is free, but you know what's not free is the green card application that goes along with VAWA. However, after April 1st, there is no fee for the green card application that goes along with VAWA. So this is something you should think about if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. It's a real marriage. You've lived with them, and there's some kind of abuse in the marriage. So mental abuse, verbal abuse, psychological abuse, all of that will count. Okay? Call us if you're interested in starting your VAWA case. You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also check out information about the firm, information about me on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right. I hope that I get to see many of you for a consultation. If you don't already follow us and like us on our social media platforms, I would encourage you to do that. We have all these folks joining here on TikTok. That's so awesome. I'm really happy to see you guys here. Say hi if this is your first time joining with me. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We are streaming on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. Okay, that's TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us, like us. We're Agarwal Immigration. Share this post with others, and of course, schedule a consultation if you could use some advice, legal advice about your immigration case. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Our consultations, let me just give you a quick overview on our consultations. They are by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So I am located here in Washington, D.C., so we do in-person consultations for people that want it. Many of our clients prefer Zoom. I would say that is the most popular method for a consultation. It's by Zoom. We're talking like this on Zoom. We'll send you a link when you book the consultation, and you hop on at your scheduled time, and I will be here like this, except it'll just be the two of us, and we'll be able to go through your full immigration history, and I can provide specific advice for you on any questions you have. And if you're eligible for something like VAWA, for example, we can walk you through what that looks like, what it's like to work with our firm, everything that we do for you, and any other questions you might have, timeline, process, fees, everything. So call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. Jessica says, where are you guys located? Great question. Where are you guys located? We are located in Washington, D.C. That is where our firm is located. We do help clients all throughout the United States. So we can do our meetings by Zoom, which is where the way we do most of our consultations. We also do consultations by phone when our clients request it. And for very few clients who want to come in person, we also accommodate requests for in-person consultations in our Washington, D.C. office. But you can work with us no matter where in the U.S. you are located. We only do immigration. So as long as you have an immigration-related matter, we are happy to help you. It would be our pleasure to welcome you into our firm and help you with your immigration cases. We are at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. We help clients with all types of immigration cases. So I would encourage you to give us a call so we can chat a little bit more about your immigration history and figure out what you might be eligible for if you are out of status. Okay? Star says, VAWA is free? ? The filing fee for VAWA has always been free, right? So the filing fee for VAWA has always been free. The green card portion, some people who file for VAWA are also eligible for a green card through adjustment of status. That portion has not been free. So that has been costing $1,225 for the green card portion. After April 1st, those fees related to the green card are exempted. So that means that they are not required. So your VAWA and green card, if filed after April 1st, can be free in terms of USCIS fees. If you want to work with an attorney, of course, there are legal fees involved for the team to prepare your application and spend the time preparing your application and giving you knowledge and expertise in drafting documents for you. So those fees are not free. Of course, we're a private law firm. You can, of course, work with a nonprofit, but working with a private firm is a little bit different, right? We have a different level of service and a different level of commitment to your case. So if you'd like to work with us, I would say give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or check us out on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. And we can see you on Zoom, by phone, or in person. All right, and if you don't already follow us and like us, I come on here live frequently to see you guys, spend some time with you guys. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So follow us, like us on all the platforms, share this with others, schedule a consultation if you want to learn more about the process, the immigration process for you. Okay? LA Viral Video says, TV says, how long after can we file for a work permit? So TV says usually take about a year to get approved. So they take a bit of preparation time. You want to prepare a very strong application, but I think that if you believe that you were mistreated by an employer, if you were otherwise trafficked, but basically you weren't paid overtime, you weren't paid what you were supposed to be paid, if there was some kind of threat, you should really see if you're eligible for a T visa, because a T visa can be approved in about a year. You can receive work authorization through this T visa, and it can also, for many, many people, be a path to a green card and ultimate U.S. citizenship. Okay? Call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Great. Here's another question. What's the next step after my VAWA is approved, right? So what is the next step after my VAWA is approved? This means a VAWA approval is huge. It means that you can remain here in the U.S. You don't have to be worried about removal at this point, right? So you're mostly protected if you have an approved VAWA, and you also have work authorization indefinitely at this point, okay? Work authorization, social security number, if you didn't file for a green card. But if you filed for a VAWA and a green card in about a year, you will have a green card interview scheduled, and you will hopefully receive your green card based on this approved VAWA. That green card, even though VAWA has a little bit to do with marriage, that green card does not require your spouse to be present. They don't need to attend an interview. In fact, your spouse won't even be notified, because VAWA is based on abuse in your marriage, and so the government treats that very, very confidentially. So unless you share this information with your spouse, or someone else shares this information with your spouse, they will not even be notified when you have your green card interview based on VAWA. Okay, call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. We would suggest that you schedule a consultation either by Zoom, by phone, or in person. Share this post with others. Check out our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration. Check out our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and you will be able to learn about us and see if we're the right fit for you. We help clients all throughout the United States. My name is Pratibha Agarwal, and I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. This is a very important question now, okay? Very, very important question. What kind of abuse can qualify me for VAWA? So what kind of abuse do I need for VAWA? Many people think that to be eligible for VAWA or VAWA-related benefits, you need physical abuse, you need police reports, but you do not. Let me clarify. VAWA can be approved, you're eligible for VAWA, if there is emotional abuse in your marriage. So your spouse is controlling, your spouse is looking through your phone all the time, your spouse is always calling you when you're outside, they limit you from talking to friends and family. These are examples. Each person's situation is different, but these are the types of abuses that can be used to show a pattern and practice of behavior that can result to what the government calls extreme cruelty, right? Your spouse is not harmed because there's no police report. It's not required. Some people are afraid of their spouse getting in some kind of trouble, right? They're not comfortable filing that police report yet. You can't file a police report for emotional abuse. But if your spouse is controlling and manipulative, then you might want to consider, right? You might want to consider applying for VAWA for yourself so you can be freed. Okay, so you can feel free, you can have autonomy, you can have work authorization, social security number, right? You're not dependent on this person anymore that might be hurting you emotionally. Call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and we help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. I have some questions here. Hey, some people are saying hello. Hi, thanks for joining. I applied for a T visa more than 2 years ago, but I haven't received any response from USCIS. Do you know why? I would say check out the normal processing times for your application and review it. I know nothing about your application, so it's hard for me to say anything to you about, you know, what might be going on. Maybe you didn't have enough evidence. Maybe you didn't file it to the right address. Maybe, hopefully you used an attorney. So I think if you're doing a humanitarian application, it's really in your best interest to invest in an attorney. This is your life. You are at a status. You don't want to be risking that by filing a weak application. So use an attorney to apply for any kind of humanitarian case. I'm talking about VAWA, T visas, and U visas. If you want us to help you, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I have not received my oath ceremony letter, but I have an online USCIS account and I can print the letter. Fantastic. Sometimes things get lost in the mail. It's not a perfect system. So go to your oath ceremony and congratulations. Guys, what is an oath ceremony? It's when someone's naturalization application has been approved and they have to take this oath, which is the last part of becoming a U.S. citizen. It's so awesome. They've already gone through that test exam. They've done their English exam at the interview. They've been recommended for citizenship, and all they have to do is now go and take this oath, and after the oath you'll be a U.S. citizen. So exciting. Congratulations. Keep us posted. Join on here. Keep us posted. I hope everything goes smoothly. Call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Wonderful to see so many of you today. You guys, make sure you like us and follow us so you can be notified when I come on live. We are on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, okay? Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. All right, guys, I'll see you all soon. Share this post with others, and happy Valentine's Day. Thanks so much. Bye, everyone.